Amiable, amiable, amiable. This word means a person who is kind and good-natured. Someone who has pleasant, friendly, and likable character. Let's use amiable in a sentence. I love studying with my teacher because she is so amiable. Let's have another example. My cousin's boyfriend seemed amiable. Do you want some more? Here it is. We are surprised at how amiable and polite their employees are. And our last example is, please choose an amiable partner. Bountiful, bountiful, bountiful. This word means large in quantity or abundant. Let's use bountiful in a sentence. We had a bountiful harvest last month. Let's have another example. I received bountiful gifts from my family and friends on my birthday. Do you want some more? Here it is. Let's praise God for the bountiful blessings He gave us. And our last example is, relax and enjoy the bountiful buffets in that hotel. Compassionate, compassionate. This word means feeling or showing sympathy and concern for others. Let's use compassionate in a sentence. My compassionate friend donated half of her yearly salary to local charities. Let's have another example. I received bountiful birthday gifts from my compassionate family and friends. Do you want some more? Here it is. Let's praise God for giving us compassionate sponsors. And our last example is, compassionate people reach out to help those in need.